Ah, this is Spike Ridge. This is Worcester level crossing on Henwick Road. It's been filmed before. I've noticed, if you look there, they're putting new lights on. And if you look at that box there, they're putting new barriers on, so this is going to be like a totally new crossing. There's a subway just down here, so I can just film on the other side. Trains will go over this crossing, I think, between Worcester Hill and Hereford. There we go. New lights are wrapped up at the minute. New barrier box. I mean, it's got the old lights and the old barriers and the old sirens on there. But when the new stuff is up, I'm filming here again. Hear a train. Probably a Hereford to Worcester Hill. Can't have to read the numbers from there, but hey ho. There go up the barriers. And that's it.